Okay, 4 bunch of ribs. 4 racks back ribs. Gonna rub them up and get them on the smoker. Oh yeah, it's raining out, but it won't be for long. Okay, they're done. And I gotta put the spice on them, so I put some mustard on first. Then the spice mixture in here, and I put them in the rack, and they go on the smoker when that's all ready to go. So let's do that now. Well, they're a little crowded, but they're good. I'll rearrange them, put them on the smoker. Sort of a rough spicing, and away we go. We're just waiting for the rain to stop and get this